Digital marketing is transforming the way businesses grow today. Whether you're a small startup or a large company, digital marketing has become essential for success. First, digital marketing gives global reach. With just a phone or laptop, you can show your products to people across the world, something traditional marketing can never match. Second, it's cost-effective. Running Facebook, YouTube, or Google ads costs far less than TV or print ads. Even with a small budget, you can reach the right audience. Third, digital marketing allows targeted marketing. You can choose who sees your ads based on age, interest, location, behavior, and more. This means you only pay for people who are actually interested in your business. Fourth, you get measurable results. Analytics tools show you how many people viewed, clicked, and purchased, helping you improve your strategy instantly. Fifth, digital marketing builds strong customer relationships. Through social media, emails, and content, you stay connected with your audience, build trust, and turn followers into loyal customers. Sixth, it helps you beat competitors. Most businesses are investing heavily in digital. If you're not online, you're already behind. In today's world, digital marketing isn't optional. It's a must. It brings visibility, growth, targeted customers, and long-term success. Start investing in digital marketing today and unlock unlimited opportunities. Subscribe for more business and marketing tips.